Hi, this is Piyash, one of the co-founders of Monsha. So today I'm going to share some of the updates we have made in the past couple of weeks. And the most notable update is our new AI image generator. This is specifically for teachers around their use cases and around their typical workflow. So all you have to do is just put some topic of your image, for example, a poster presenting the Stone Age, or you can share any external file, link, YouTube video, or any text you can use as a source or reference for that image. For example, you may have a reading passage or a worksheet or a presentation and you want relevant images for it, you can just put in there. And on the next page, you get to select your attributes. For example, the purpose of your image, the type you want, any subject details, activity, style, mood, background, or dimension, detailing level, or any levels or text you want. Set your grade level and language as well. So all these options on this page is optional, but the more you define, the more precise you get. So click on generate, and in a moment, the image will be generated. For example, this is a coffee logo or a poster representing the Ice Age, street art, school bus, graphic organizer, sloth, another sketch, or something like this or this. So this is the poster we got from our prompt representing the Stone Age. If it's not right, you can just type your prompt or feedback and it will regenerate. You can copy it from here. You can create more resources based on this poster or image. And finally, you can share it or export it as a PNG, JPG, WebP, or share it to directly to Google Classroom. So the next update is about turning any image file into any teaching resources in Monsha. For example, maybe you have a poster presentation, or you have a infographics, or you have a handwritten script or notes or handouts or anything. You want to turn it into a presentation or worksheet or reading passage, whatever. You can, as long as the text is readable, you can upload it in Monsha and create a material. For example, I'm creating an adaptive reading passage. So I'll click on a file upload, and you can see I can upload a PDF, document, presentation, spreadsheet, and image file now from Google Drive or from my device. So we can extract any text from any kind of images unless it's really impossible to read in human eye. So let's say this, it will now process it. Processing done. Next, I get to choose my grade level, language, or length of the passage, generate, and the passage is generated based on the text from the image. And as for next update, we have added 14 more set of standards or curriculum standards in our pre-built library. For example, when you create any teaching resources on Monsha, you can assign it to curriculum expectations from here. And if you click on add, you can add your own by manually typing, or you can select from the Monsha directory. You can choose the curriculum standard. Before this update, we had only CCSS, Common Core Curriculum, and NGSS curriculum, but now we have IB, we have Oxford, Edexcel, Cambridge, UK National Curriculum, IST, College Career Readiness, and some others. So next we are going to add the US state-specific curriculums. But if you want us to add any other, just let us know. And the last small update is we have added a share option from any Monsha resources. So you can click on the share button. It will create a link that you can share it with anyone. They can access the resource by pasting the link and without having to log in.